How to fix a frozen screen on your On Kids tablet in case nothing is working, no matter what you press, nothing is happening. What you need to do is to go on the top here where you see these buttons, and you need to press at the same time volume up, this button, and the power button. Keep both of these buttons pressed at the same time until you see the on logo appearing on the display. So let me demonstrate. I'm pressing both of them and I'm not releasing them until I see the on logo. So I'm waiting like this, almost there. Keep pressed, don't release anything, even if the screen is black. And here we go, the on logo appear. I release the buttons and I will let the tablet boot up normally. Usually in around 20 seconds, you'll be able to type your password, enter, and use it once again. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.